Hey there, science fans! Are you ready to embark on an incredible journey into the unseen world of microorganisms? Today we're diving into the microscopic world to meet a real superhero Deinococcus radiodurans, also known as Conan the Bacterium. This tiny organism is not just any bacterium, it's a marvel of nature. This little guy is famous for its incredible ability to survive extreme radiation levels that would fry most other life forms. Imagine being able to withstand radiation doses thousands of times higher than what would be lethal to humans. Discovered in the 1950s, Conan was found thriving in canned meat that had been blasted with gamma radiation to kill bacteria. Surprise! Conan was unfazed. This discovery was nothing short of revolutionary. This sparked a scientific quest to understand how this tiny organism could withstand such harsh conditions. Researchers have since uncovered that its DNA repair mechanisms are extraordinarily efficient, allowing it to quickly fix any damage caused by radiation. This makes Deinococcus radiodurans not just a survivor, but a true champion of resilience in the microbial world. Radiation is all around us, from the sun's rays to certain medical procedures. While low levels are generally safe, high doses can be incredibly damaging to living cells, disrupting DNA and causing mutations. This is where Conan comes in. This little bacterium possesses incredible resilience, withstanding thousands of times the radiation dose that would kill a human. Its secret: two words: manganese and DNA. Conan's secret weapon is a potent cocktail of manganese-based antioxidants. These antioxidants are not just any ordinary molecules, they are specifically designed to combat the harsh effects of radiation. These molecules act like tiny shields, protecting the bacterium's vital cellular components from radiation damage. They form a protective barrier around the cells, ensuring that the radiation cannot penetrate and cause harm. Think of them like little sponges that soak up the harmful effects of radiation, preventing them from wreaking havoc. But that's not all. These antioxidants also help in neutralizing free radicals, which are harmful byproducts of radiation exposure. Conan also has an extraordinary ability to repair its own DNA. This self-repair mechanism is crucial for its survival in extreme environments. When radiation does manage to cause damage, Conan has a special set of enzymes that can quickly and efficiently repair the broken pieces, putting its genetic code back together like a jigsaw puzzle. These enzymes work tirelessly to ensure that the DNA is restored to its original state, maintaining the integrity of the genetic information. Conan's incredible survival skills have caught the eye of scientists worldwide. This resilient bacterium has shown an extraordinary ability to withstand extreme conditions, from high radiation levels to intense heat and cold. Researchers are fascinated by its unique properties and are exploring various ways to harness its potential. Imagine using Conan to clean up radioactive waste, develop new cancer treatments, or even create more effective antibiotics. The possibilities are endless, and the implications for human health and environmental protection are profound. With its ability to survive in harsh environments, Conan could also help us understand the possibility of life on other planets. This could revolutionize our approach to space exploration and the search for extraterrestrial life. The potential applications are truly exciting, ranging from biotechnology to astrobiology. Scientists are continuously uncovering new ways to utilize Conan's remarkable capabilities. Research on this amazing bacterium is ongoing, with new discoveries being made regularly. Each breakthrough brings us closer to unlocking its full potential. So what do you think? Could Conan be the key to solving some of our most pressing scientific challenges? Could Conan be the key to unlocking a new era of scientific discovery? The future looks promising, and the journey has just begun.